Alright guys, we got FOMC coming out here, it's in the minute. Looks like we've got, we've had our Fibonacci levels that have been respected all these levels really well. Had a nice trade down here on this pound dollar. We're looking at euro dollar here and pound dollar over here. So we'll let the news come out, let the market digest it, and look for trades after that once the market's kind of settled. Alright, so we're looking at if pound dollar gets up to here, that's going to be a trade. And I've got dollar CAD over here that I'm looking at. Okay, so we have dollar CAD down here at this level. We're about to hit our sell zone here on pound dollar. You can see dollar CAD has been respecting these levels really well. Come on, euro dollar. Okay, we're in. We also have pound dollar here. Those are still okay. We're still at the level here. So we're good. Let's get ready to go to -3 here on euro dollar. And then here when we're up about 6 points, modify. So we're at break even here. Let's get ready to sell half of this position. And let's go to break even, or not break even, but -3 on pound. So I'm going to take half here on euro dollar. We're going to let the rest run down here to at least the 44. Pound dollar, I'll go to break even. So I got no risk in the trade. I'm going to leave my full position on pound dollar here. And what I'm really looking for, I'm going to change this to 15. So that'll limit that out automatically. I'm going to get ready to take some profits here. I'm afraid it's going to use this as a support now that we've broke out. So I'm looking to collect something on this level. Alright, so we're limited out of euro dollar. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take half here on pound dollar. 9.5, so good fills there. And let's go ahead and put this at 15 as well. Again, the reason I jumped out of this pound dollar down here is I kind of figured this previous resistance where it's hit these Fibonacci levels would become support. So I wanted to collect something close to 10 points, put some money in the bank, eliminate the risk, and if we break down through, great. But my concern is that becomes support, and we work our way up towards these highs where we hit this Fibonacci level up here, which would be this one. And that's the reason I went ahead and collected something. Of course, euro dollar, this one worked out real well. So we're just setting in pound dollar. We got a 15-point limit. So I just want to pull up dollar CAD as well. We were looking at that down here. Since the drop, when this level was calculating, we were just hitting it. I had it up on my other screen here, so I didn't take the trade because I was already in euro dollar and obviously pound dollar, which is about to be limited out for 15. So there we go. Pound dollar's done with 15 points on the last position there, and euro dollar was another 15 points. It's a shame we didn't get this dollar CAD. I wanted this area down here. I know there were some others that took this, but yeah, pretty killer trades here right after FOMC. This 5-minute strategy here. So hoping everyone caught some good trades here. If we kind of look back at the recap here, pound dollar has just been off of these levels non-stop. Good bounces off of here. We had a recalculation right when it hit this. There were plenty of great trades this morning. This was, I know a lot of people, some of which still, got fills down here who like to hold on to longer term trades. I know they were planning on holding through news, check and see how they did with all that. I'd imagine they did well. Came back, we had all of these sell signals here worked really good. This one right during news worked well. Spreads were still just a little bit too high for me to want to go ahead and execute. And then of course we grabbed this one here at this level. And euro dollar again, this one was a pretty simple trade right here. euro dollar, if I was going to be active and continue to trade, this might be a good spot for a light position. But quite frankly, with all the trades that have happened today and how good of a day it's been, I'm over on the West Coast right now, so it's almost noon, so I'm going to call it a day. Anyways, if you have any questions about the strategy, post your comments below, and I'm happy to go ahead and answer those individually. Have a great day.